Hey guys, this is Saad from F16 Media. See, back with another video. Today's video is quite special, and do you know why? Because we mainly make videos for the air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, garage doors, dryer oven, pressure washing, but today's video is quite different, and do you know why? I'll explain. Today's video, we are gonna discuss about the flooring business, that how we are helping a flooring business generate leads and convert those leads into appointments. Now, I know you have tried maybe that how you can grow your flooring business with the right advertising, but you have maybe failed. Maybe you are doing messenger ads, maybe you are doing lead forms, maybe you haven't tried ads yet, maybe you are just doing thumbtack, maybe you are just focusing on Angie's List, Google Maps, or just referrals. Today let me show you how does messenger works, how you can generate a lot of leads via messenger and lead forms both, because this company is in Michigan and we have been working for them for a long time and they are killing their results. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let me show you the ads ad account, that how we are getting crazy results for them. Let's get directly into it. First thing first, let's do it maximum so you can see how much we have spent. We have spent like $8,876 for this company on Facebook ads so far. We have 144 leads for 12.63 each. Now, do you also see this one? Okay, for this one, I would like to tell you that this one was mainly for WhatsApp, because this company was working in Michigan. So the one which you see last 316 leads for 21.1 each, 6,638 leads for Epoxy company. What happens? WhatsApp, it was working really well, but the main problem was the quality. Company was not getting enough quality. So what did we do? We started messenger ads because the customer wanted the high quality leads which actually converts. Now, when we have to generate this type of results, we have to focus on where is our audience sitting. And we wanted American people or people with the money. We did messenger. In messenger, we placed the right placements, made the right ads, and built an automation. You can also say an AI automation by Facebook. And now what happened with that? We run the ads. In the bottom, we put a like contact us or get quote now. Customers drop their name, number, email address, zip code. The business owner or the team give them a call and schedule the appointment. Now, in Messenger, we see better quality conversions, okay? Like if you see 144 leads for 12.63 each and $1,818 spent, this is Messenger. And trust me, they have made at least a 20x out of it, okay? Because you just need to book appointments. The conversion purely depends on you, that how good you are with setting up the customer, how good you are with booking the customer. Right? That being said, if you know how to sell the customer, do Facebook ads. The average cost per lead, okay, so here it's like $12, but it's gonna be around 20 or more, okay? But if you know how to sell the customer, this is for you. This is the page like ads we did for them. You can see how cheap got the results for, and the results were crazy. So if you have a flooring business, epoxy business, air duct business, drywall business, chimney cleaning business, let's have a call. Go in the description, schedule a call. Let me come into your ads. Let me see what I can do, and we'll figure it out. All right. So if you need any help, any questions, any confusions, any hesitations, schedule a call with us or hit us on Instagram, F16 Media Official, and we'll help you out. Until next time, guys, if you have any questions, please drop your comments, like and subscribe, and see you later.